Hello everyone, you're highly welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. So today's episode I will share an easy simple recipe that will take place under 30 good minutes. We are making spinach stew. This is so healthy, nutritious and super delicious. You can pair with boiled yams, plantain, fufu, boiled rice, any combo of your choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones, turn on your bell notifications so that you will get instantly notified each time I upload. Alright, on my work surface, these are the ingredients needed for this simple recipe. You don't need too much items, and so we are preparing something on a low budget, something cheap and easily accessible. Into my pot I will add palm oil and vegetable oil. Allow that to preheat. Okay friends, so once preheated I will introduce two combinations of diced onions and scotch bonnet peppers. You're going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes until the flavors are released. 2 to 3 minutes later I added dawa, which is the locust beans. Next I will add the smoked dry fish. It has a very nice flavor and taste. I will fry that for exactly 5 good minutes. At this point in time, if you have crayfish you can add, but trust me, the dry fish there is very good. It's enough for the recipes. After 5 minutes, this is the appearance that you're going to have. You see how beautiful it looks. You can also see that the color have changed. That means we are ready to proceed by adding some paprika that is already blended and freshly diced fresh tomatoes. I have here 3 large fresh tomatoes. I will cover the pot, cook that for 10 to 15 good minutes. Okay my beautiful friends, so 10 to 15 minutes later you can see how the appearance looks. It is so beautiful, and then it is ready guys. I will introduce salt to taste, seasoning cubes, paprika, and here I'm using 2 teaspoons of paprika. Okay, I also boiled my meat off camera. So no, not my meat. I also boiled the beef off camera. I added 1 cup of the beef stock and then the grilled beef. Use any protein of your own choice and preference. Cook for extra 5 good minutes. Here I've gone ahead to dice the fresh spinach. I have exactly 500 grams of that. I will also garnish with bell peppers and onions. Stew is ready. If you don't want to add vegetable to the stew, you can just serve it like this. It is ready, but then we are making spinach stew, so we are going to incorporate the vegetables here. First of all, I'll go ahead, stir, combine, so that all the flavors will come in very well. And once that is completed, I'll begin to introduce the fresh spinach. If you don't want to use fresh spinach, you can use ugu, that is the pumpkin leaves. You can also use water leaves. You can as well use let's say kale or anything of your choice, what you prefer. If you have it available, just go for it. Okay, mix everything to combine, and once the spinach is added guys, trust me, you just have to turn off your heat because the steam from the pot is going to wilt the vegetable, because we're using spinach and you don't want to lose the nutrients from the spinach. Okay, and mix, combine guys. Look at how the stew looks. It is ready. It is so tasty. My husband had this with fufu. In fact, he was asking me, is it finished at that? I told him it's almost finished because the family is a big one. So guys, my rice is boiled with some carrots. Like I said, you can pair with anything of your choice. In less than 30 minutes, a super delicious meal is ready. This is cheap and can also be accessible for those of us who are passing through a lot of challenges financially. This is something you can consider to serve to yourself, your family, and everyone will have a delightful experience. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed this simple recipe. If you have, kindly like, share this video with your friends, subscribe, and don't forget that variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, enjoy this for your weekend. God bless you. Bye for now.